for the operation of this inverter. This is 10 kVA and this is 10 kVA. So we have parallel this inverter to give you 20 kVA, and this is for 50 kilowatt lithium battery. This is 50 kilowatt lithium battery. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So we have parallel this lithium battery for also having higher ampage and battery consumption. So now I'm going to teach you. I'm not going to details, but I just want to teach you the principle of operation. Please note, anytime you see danger, do you see this sign, this triangle sign?
Yes.
Mean that there's a problem. So it means that there's a problem. Do you see? Yes. But there is no sign. So we have HS. This HS means that this is the master. Then if you come to this other one, this is SL. This is the slave. But sometimes when you own any of this one, this can also be a master and this can also be a slave.
Okay.
Then now, if you check our screen, you can see this solar panel symbol showing that the solar panel is also charging this battery. Can you see?
Okay.
Then when you check this showing this is a green sign that is also charging this battery. But at night you will not see this symbol because there is no sound. Your solar panel image will disappear. Then now we are using the generator. When you turn off your generator, this sign will also disappear. Then when you turn to NEPA, when you come to your NEPA, when you go to the NEPA or your PSN in Nigeria, we call it PSN or NEPA. When you can Nigeria, you just go to your screen. This sign will also appear. Either generator or NEPA, this sign will appear. But note this breaker that we kept here is for building 1. So we have turned it on because we are working on it. So this second one is for the building 2.
Okay.
It's for the building 2. Then we are using this one as a cutoff, maybe for if you doesn't want your generator to charge or you doesn't want your NEPA to charge, you just only need the solar panel to be charging it. I'm going to bring it down. So you can just hold on. You can see now I'm moving from NEPA or generator.
Okay.
Just hold on. You see that sign of that grid sign I've changed. Do you see it?
Yes.
I told you that the sign is going to change, that it's already the battery, it's already the solar panel that is charging it. So now I'm going to turn it on. Just take a look. Look at this place. Then look at this place. You are going to see this grid sign is going to come off. So just follow me. Just watch. I'm going to take it out. Okay. Do you see the sign here?
Yes.
Thank you. Then this is my clamp meter. Do you see? This is my clamp meter. I want to take the ampage of this charging, of the charging. So just follow me. Follow me. So you see, I'm going to clamp the charging current. So just watch. So what is consuming, the ampage is consuming is okay. You can see because it's charging. It's giving me 6.7. So it's can just wait. Let's see what is consuming for charging. But let me tell you, at the initial that time it will increase. Okay, now because it's fully charged, this battery I'm already fully charged. Do you hear me? So it's you are consuming 2.97 amp for the auto. But note, when this battery is drained, when this battery is totally drained, it will take a high charging current. Maybe you will be seeing where you are seeing 3, where you are seeing 3, you will be seeing 35, 36. So
When the battery is totally drained.
yes, when the battery is totally drained, as it's charging up, as it's coming up to charge, you will see 35, 36. So it will drag a lot of energy for it to charge this lithium battery. So but now because it's fully charged, that is now it's showing zero. Okay? Hope everything is clear. If it's not clear, please ask question. Ask question.
So what's the purpose of this?
The purpose of taking this one down. The purpose of taking this one down?
If you take it down.
The purpose of we taking this one down, this one is just for you to, if you doesn't want to use your generator or your PHCN to charge your battery, so you take it down.
No, I mean like if you take it down, not at the middle.
Okay, if you take it down, there is nothing down here.
Okay, there's nothing down there.
So yes, this one is just for only charging, but your panel is not enough for you to just use only your panel to charge this battery. So we just put it in light to also assist in charging your battery. Any other question?
Then this one.
For you to ask? Yeah.
This one.
This one, okay. This changeover is for yeah. For if you take it off, it's for the building. This is for inverter. And when for this other one, when you want, if you want the full building, if you want it, just like the way it was before. If you want the full building, to use the inverter. So you just take it up.
Up.
Yes, you take it up. You can see this stick.
Okay, this one.
It's done. So you are using it for generator or NEPA. But if you want the inverter to carry the full building, so you take it off.
Okay.
That one, when the customer is left in your apartment, maybe you have 1 to 2 flats that you don't want to run your generator, you don't want to burn your waste money for your diesel, then you go for your inverter. So you take it down. So this inverter can carry that apartment. So that is what the essence of this changeover is, to serve
The true building. Okay.
That goes for light load, and for heavy load.
Okay.
Like if you don't take it off, inverter for yes, heavy load. Yes. Like go for heavy load. For this one, like if you take this one on, this one will serve for heavy load. Like for the true building.
Okay, true building.
Yeah, so ask question, ask another question.
Then this one now. This one too is also for the building, right?
This one is for the building, but for the light load, for the lighting point.
Okay, for the light load.
Yes, for the light load.
Okay.
Yes. So ask any other question that you feel that you come and challenge.
How will you shift it? Like
Shift. If this one is just like a changeover 1 or 2. Yes. So
you take it down.
yes. You take it down.
If you take it down, what will happen?
If you take it down, okay, now you have so down, and it's down. 1, if you take it down, it's on light. If you take the other one up, it's inverter. So we are going to demonstrate so that you will see what we are doing. So I don't know if it's possible for you to off your generator so that you see what we are doing. So that we can see for yourself.
So you say if you take it down, is it the arrow, taking the arrow down?
No,
where the arrow is facing?
No, this is a rotary changeover. It's different from this kind of changeover.
Okay.
If you take it down like this,
Where would the arrow be facing? Up or down?
if you take it down, It's on NEPA.
Okay, the arrow is facing down.
Yeah, it's on NEPA.
It's on NEPA.
So if you take it center like this, it's on neutral.
Okay, it's on neutral.
Yes, it's not, the generator is not in inverter.
Okay.
If you take it down, if you take it up like this, it's on inverter.
Okay, it's on inverter.
Inverter.
Okay, this one now is on inverter.
Yes, so because we are also doing testing,
Neutral.
this is neutral. Because we are also doing load sharing, which light, that is why we take it down.
Okay.
So we are going to do tests.
So if you off your gen now, you are going to move the arrow to the other side.
Yes, if you have your gen, you just move your arrow. But by the time we have done, if we are through, we are going to put this changeover permanently on the light. Because the purpose of putting this changeover permanently on light is because when customers is in the apartment, they don't have any they don't want to experience any power
outage,
electric power supply. So we want all the lights to be on, constantly on. So it's not going to be on NEPA, it's going to be on inverter. By the time we are through. So and for you not to have that electric power supply, your inverter must be on. Just leave the inverter on like this. Don't on any stepmasters, don't touch those
don't touch this one.
don't touch it.
No matter what.
No matter what, don't touch it. You have no business with this installation. You don't have any business with this installation. You are going to power this the inverter steady on, everything steady on, then we leave it. Your own is just to check if there's any error message. Okay, thank you. So we are creating this video for you to have understanding, to know how to use your system. So if our explanation is not clear, please kindly ask questions.
So you said this one is for the two building, right?
Yes.
This one that is on, this one here.
Yes.
On the right side.
This one that is on is for your right arm building. You can see the way I'm standing. Look at me. You have two buildings.
Yes.
This other side is right.
Yes.
This other side is left. This one that is on is for my
left.
My right hand. Don't see
okay, right hand. Yeah, okay.
You see the way I'm standing?
Yeah.
This is right hand building and this is left hand building. So this breaker is for my right hand building. This one is for my left hand building. So any other question that you feel that you need to know, or any other thing that you feel that you need to know?
Then this other side, this one now.
Yes.
See this one?
Yes.
The one after this angle.
What? Just show me.
After the angle.
Okay. Look at my hand. This
Not that one. The second one. What's the purpose?
The purpose of this one is either is using light. Do you see this symbol? This symbol up is a DC symbol. This symbol down is an AC symbol. So it will come up. That is to indicate which one is up. Okay. So but you have no business with this one. It's only when you have when this light comes up, that is when you just communicate with us.
Okay.
So any other thing that you believe that you need to know, please, as after we close this program, please, nobody should tamper with this. This is our bulb bar for the battery connection. So we have communication cable, but this is not your business. Your own is, you are the end user, so you have no business with this communication cable. You have no business with this parallel cable. So any other question you ask?
These buttons, these black buttons at the bottom.
Okay, this button, you have no business with this button because you are end user. Because don't touch this button. If you touch this button, you will change the modification and you will change the setting. So this button is to off and this is to on. Right now they are on. Okay, they are on. You can see this one is also on. You have no business because we are going to immediately we have done. We are going to arrange this battery in their normal position. You have no business with anybody here. So thank you. I believe you understand the principle of an operator and how to use it.
Yes, I understand. Well understood.
Thank you.